Oh, because that was the pic. Oh, that's why. I had picture stabilization on. That's why it's taking so long to take a picture.
Big one?
No, not yet.
Well, then what are we doing?
Doing
You need a bottle.
Oh, these are bottle rockets?
Yeah.
Oh.
Flashlight?
You need a bottle.
Oh, you need a bottle? All right, here. Do you need a flashlight or no?
The parachute
No.
one.
It's a bottle.
Yeah, there's a parachute.
Then you do.
Right on. This one's really fun. That's a whoa!
What color do you guys want to do first? You pick first. What color? It should be that color, whatever it is.
Are we allowed to get more than one parachute? Bottle rocket? Are we allowed to get more than one parachute?
I don't know what we have.
We got a lot of them.
Stand back, please.
Hey, guys, come over here because these ones shoot real high.
Real high.
Really high? Like
Yep.
Michael Jackson?
Careful.
What?
Burning.
Big whistle.
Cool.
Who picked last time? The color. You did? Alright, pick a color.
Red.
Red? Alright.
Now they're fireworks. That's what I call it.
Yeah.
Oh, run from the air pollution. Oh.
Really? Who's a goof?
Ready?
Nice.
Is there a parachute?
No, these are bottle rockets, baby.
Oh.
Color.
Pick
Your
a
turn.
color.
Your turn. Yellow? Yeah.
It's yellow.
Yep.
I pick yellow all the time because it's my favorite color.
Yeah?
Did you pick yellow last time? Yeah. Last time I think I picked yellow, right?
Yeah, you picked, yeah, now the yellows are gone, yeah.
It's all gone.
We did 2 in a row.
Oh, a crackler.
Wow.
Cool.
Oh, my ear that time.
Oh.
And that gone wrong. That instead of going straight up, that went blue.
You want blue? Okay.
Oh, that's a nice color, blue. Mom, you can look at the blue in the sky. What if
you
parachuted it? Like, Mom, are you gonna look?
I am. I'm looking. I'm taking
Tyler,
video.
What if it parachuted baseballs? Would you get out your glove?
What was that?
Hey, what's up? Hey.
Oh, I can't see you because you're all dark.
Hey. Watch out! What is that thing?
Cool.
That didn't turn out blue out. Yeah, that turned out
Alright,
rainbow.
all that's left is blue or red?
Red.
Red? Alright.
Holy.
You want to do 2 at a time?
Yeah.
Alright.
Let's do 4 at a time.
How many more are you setting off? Lisa wants to know.
What?
Not too many more. Yep. Honestly, this is the last one.
This is
What?
it. This is it.
I want to do the parachute. I want to do the parachutes. Yeah, I want to do the grand finale too. No, grand finale for the other, but I want to do some parachutes.
We can't get the tape off the parachutes.
What? Yeah, we could just light it up, and then it. What if we did 4 at a time? Mom, look, you guys just rip it.
All right, here, come here, baby. Let me see.
Look, there's 2 parachutes.
One didn't
All
make
right,
it.
here's
Guys, let's go.
a parachute, and then do the one more
Jump in the smoke.
parachute.
One parachute and one big one.
One big one. That's it.
I'm not doing rainbow. Then let's do grand finale.
No, listen, guys, it's grand finale time.
2 more, that's it. Stay back.
Back, baby.
You have to wait till it goes off, and then you can find it.
You all right?
Yeah, it got me a little bit.
Uh-oh.
Here it comes.
Parachute in the sky.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Coming down. There it is.
You guys got it? Hey, no fighting. Guys,
Good day. Don't make it bad.
seriously?
Can you do another one for me?
We did one parachute earlier, didn't we?
No.
Yeah, we did.
With
Wheels did one, yeah.
guys, stop it.
All right, here's the biggest one, and then we're
Guys,
done.
grand finale. No more. No
Well,
more.
I didn't get one.
No
This
more.
is the really big one now. You
Can I
gotta
see?
stand back. This
No,
is dangerous.
You need me to take the tape off?
I got this one.
You alright,
It's not,
Tay?
it's not as bad
Ready?
as the other ones.
Sit.
Mom, don't you kidding me.
Hey, knock it off, Dylan.
Ready?
Do you want to shoot the last one?
Yeah, we're gonna be
Stop.
done. This is it. Hear me?
And then we're going. Mom, he poked me in the eye.
I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
I didn't.
What? This is the last set one.
Ow.
Guys, knock it off.
He's hitting
You know what? Seriously? You know what? Then how about we stop? We're done.
No.
Grand finale.
Mom, can I get shot, Mom?
No.
I didn't get a
It's
parachute.
Bud.
And he poked me in the
You know
eye.
what? You know what? We're done.
Have you-
Look up in. Oh, holy crap! All right.
Wow.
Wow. Okay, guys, grab everything. We're done. That was way too big. We're done. Grab your.
Keeping it.
Wow.